Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can download Twitter videos to your phone's gallery. This process works for both Android and iOS. For that you need to open your Twitter or X account and log in to your account, and I will take this video as an example. So choose the video which you want to download, and after choosing the video, tap here once and then pause the video. As you can see from the bottom, you can see this arrow logo. Just tap here once, and from here you need to copy the link. As you can see, the link is copied. Now you need to close this Twitter and open your favorite browser. So I'm using Chrome for this tutorial, as you can see. And on Chrome you need to type Twitter video download. So after typing this, you will find this website. Don't click the others, you want to use this first link. So after that, tap here once, and on this part just paste the link and tap download. Now you will ask to choose the resolution. I will go for HD, and as you can see this it will pop up with ads. You just need to close the ads. Now as you can see, you need to tap this download button, and yeah, my video is downloaded on my gallery. So that's how you download Twitter video to your phone.